Hi, this is Teacher Des. Please be with me for several minutes as we enhance your listening ability. We are now on the third part of TOEIC listening test. In this part, you're going to listen to a conversation and answer the three questions. Today, you are going to listen to two different conversations. Listen to the first conversation and answer 41 to 43. Man, do you expect a good turnout at this morning's conference? Woman, yes I do. By the way, I wonder if it's a good idea to drive there. A number of streets will be closed for today's parade. Man, I also worried about that actually. Also, I heard that parking rates went up this month. Maybe we should take the bus instead. Woman, good thinking. The bus stops directly in front of the conference center. Now, listen to the second conversation. Woman, have you seen the budget proposal that I left on your desk? Man, yes, I have it with me now. I was about to sign it and send it to the accounting. Woman, hold on it for a while. Mr. Martin from HR wants to review a few things with the Vice President this afternoon. Man, okay, I'll get it into him first and send it to accounting first thing in the morning. Well, are you done answering? This time, we will check your answer. This time, you can see here the conversation. 41. Where are the speakers going? A. To the parade, B. To the bus terminal, C. To a conference, and D. To the university. The speakers are going to a conference, so the answer here is letter C. They are talking about how to get into the conference center, and you can find that here in this part here. Okay, so again, the speakers are going to a conference center. Letter A, to the parade. Well, the parade is mentioned, but it is not the speaker that they're going to, okay? Letter B, to the bus terminal. Well, this is wrong. And D, to the university is also wrong. So again, the answer in 41 is letter C, to a conference. 42. What are the speakers discussing? A, how to get to the conference. B, who will drive to the conference. C, the theme of the parade. And D, where their office is located. Well, they are discussing on how to get to the conference, so the answer is letter A. In the conversation, they are talking or discussing if it's a good idea to drive to the conference center. So again, the answer is letter A, how to get to the conference. Letter B, who will drive to the conference is wrong, because this is not their problem. Letter C, the theme of the parade is also wrong. And where their office is located is also wrong. So again, the answer on 42 again is letter A, how to get to the conference. 43. What does the man suggest? A, drive there. B, take the bus. C, take the subway. And D, take a taxi. The man suggests to take the bus. Okay, so the answer here is letter B. And you can find that in this part here. Maybe we should take the bus instead. Letter A, drive there, is wrong because they will not drive to get into the conference center. Letter C, take the subway, is also wrong. And D, take a taxi, is not mentioned. So again, the answer in 43 is letter B, take the bus. Now, let's answer 44 to 46, and you can also see here the conversation. 44. Where should the proposal be submitted to? A. To the headquarters, B. To the vice president, C. To the accounting department, and D. To the human resources department. The proposal should be submitted to letter C, to the accounting department, and you can find that in this part here. And also in this part here, so that means that the proposal should be submitted to the accounting department. Letter A, to the headquarters, is wrong because it does not mention in the conversation. Letter B, to the vice president. Well, the vice president is mentioned, but the vice president will just review the proposal, but it will not be submitted to him, okay? And letter D, to the human resources department, is also wrong. Though it is not mentioned, but the proposal is not be submitted to the human resources department. So again, the answer is letter C, to the accounting department. 45. When will the proposal be reviewed? A. This morning, B. This afternoon, C. Tomorrow morning, and D. Tomorrow at noon. According to the conversation, that Mr. Martin from HR and the Vice President will review the proposal this afternoon. So the answer is letter B. And you can find that in this part. Letter A, this morning, is not mentioned, and also tomorrow morning and tomorrow at noon is also wrong, or are also wrong. So again, the answer in 45 is letter B, this afternoon. 46. What will the man do next? A. Speak to the employees, B. Give a document to Mr. Martin, C. Sign a contract, and D. Meet with the vice president. Well, most probably that the man will give the document to Mr. Martin. So the answer is letter B. You can find that in this part here. The word him is referring to Mr. Martin. Okay, so that means that the man will give the document to Mr. Martin first. Okay, so the answer here is letter B. Letter A, speak to the employees, is wrong because it is not mentioned in the conversation, and also C and D. Well, letter D, meet with the vice president. It's not the man who will meet the vice president, but it's Mr. Martin. So again, the answer on 46 is letter B. Give a document to Mr. Martin. Well, how are you doing so far? Did you get all the right answer? I really hope so. This is Teacher Tess again, and I'll see you next time for more videos that will surely enhance your listening ability. Bye!